Hey man, so after 12 long years, bruh, we finally have them back. It's my first time ever having these in the collection. Didn't have my first go around, so I'm super excited to unbox and show you guys these joints early, man. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. And again, bro, we got some heat, you know what I'm saying? We in new scenery, so we don't have the Rambo knife. We got something a little less special today, but it is what it is. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now, we need everybody to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys leave a huge like. The likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And like I said, bro, we got some heaters in the day. I don't care who didn't already show them. I don't care what they had to say. These right here is my first time having them in the collection, so I'm super excited, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into these things. You guys already know I will be dropping a reel over on Instagram and YouTube, kind of giving it a little bit more detailed look. Sure, you got a couple hits and stuff like that, but I seen the opportunity to grab these joints, and I said, hey man, go ahead and send them my way. And a fun fact about me this month, which is so abnormal, this does not happen a lot, bro. This is the only pair of shoes I've bought all month, bro. It's almost the 20th of July, you know what I'm saying? And I only bought one pair of shoes. My birthday was this month. I ain't buying no shoes. This is the only thing I got. And these only paid $250 on early, you know what I'm saying? So that indicates a couple of things. One, gonna be super produced. Gonna be a lot of pairs. And two, you know what I'm saying? Getting early pairs nowadays isn't a whole different ball game. Everybody got early pairs and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and check them out. And on first rips, bro, the box looks totally different. I'm 100% certain the box did not look like this back in the day. Kind of got like some, I don't even know what's going on with the box, but if I had to give anything a theme or something like that, of course it would be the Paris Olympics for this year. This is the Olympics, if you guys do not know, man. But you guys see the Jumpman, red Jumpman up top, and the official colorway reads Air Jordan 6 Retro White and Varsity Red. And this is a personal size 9.5. So let's go ahead and flip these things open. First time in 12 years we got these things, bruh. Flip the tissue paper over, man. 3, 2, 1, and bam, man, there we have them, bruh. The Air Jordan 6 Olympics, and we gotta go ahead and pull these things out, bro. We got to pull them out. They are finally here in the collection. Your boy DeVintage is super excited, man. So again, real quick, for the Air Jordan 6 Olympics, this is a little bit different than the 2012 pair. The 2012 pair had the blue on the midsole, which I kind of didn't even really notice a difference until somebody spotted out. I was like, oh, okay, now I kind of do see what they changed, but this is true to its original form when these did drop back in 2000. So I'm putting a little screenshot up here. The pair that dropped back in 2000 looked exactly like this. Then the 2012 pair had like some predominantly blue midsole, and now we come into 2024 and we have it to the nearest to, you know what I'm saying, the first time that these did drop back in 2000, man, the top of the, you know, new decade, you know what I'm saying? This was dedication to the Olympics back then, and now we are all the way in 2024, bro. And we have another wave of Olympics, you know what I'm saying? Olympic 6s, if you guys do not know, I keep showing these, I'm praising these things, give them the credit they deserve. The Paris Air Jordan 4s, which I definitely think will, you know, kind of shock some people that's not putting their footwork, not putting their leg work and stuff like that. These right here are tough, and a lot of people are going to regret sleeping on these. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling you, I feel like it's gonna be another, you know, Black Cat situation, Black Cat 4s. But enough of the Paris Olympic 4s. Back to the Olympic 6s, and I don't know if it's just me, bro, or if it's a majority of you guys watching. I did not know these were releasing this year, bro. I thought this was like a shoe that we won't see for a while to come, but you know, it all makes sense. It's around that Olympic time frame, but I was like, yo, how come I didn't have these on the radar? Like, these weren't even on my top 10 most anticipated releases of the year because I was so unaware that these were coming out again, man. But you guys can see, you got some nice leather quality all the way around these Air Jordan 6s right here. I'm talking about the toughness of the leather is crazy, bro. It's super crazy. You guys see, of course, you do have the white pattern on the tongue with the red Jumpman, of course, with the red pacifier lace lock up there, as you guys can see. And then you guys know, man, with no Nike Air on the back, you got your regular Jumpman Air. And I can just imagine if they did throw the Nike Air on these back in the day in 2000, They would have followed up in 2024, added, again with the Nike Air on the back. But the Jumpman Air does its justice, you know what I'm saying? This sneaker right here holds weight without the Nike Air. You guys know what people love Nike Air for some reason. I don't know why, bro. It's not even that big of a difference in my honest opinion. But when you want to get the OGs, you know what I'm saying, the OG 4s, OG, you know what I'm saying, Airs and 5s and stuff like that, people, harp heavily on Nike Air or Jumpman being on the Batman. But these right here, you guys can see, just a regular Jumpman Air on the heel of these things. And then of course on the spoiler, you have your white trim, and then coming and checking out the outsoles, you got your baby blue, translucent blue outsoles with the red Jumpman in the middle. And then I don't know what it is, man. These laces, bruh, it's just something different about these, but again, first time having these in the collection, kind of first time I'm giving these any, attention, I guess you would say, because I didn't think these was gonna come out again for a while to come. But you got the thick white rope laces in these, and I don't know if nobody doing no crazy lace swaps, but of course the homie Jay, I'm pretty interested in seeing what he gonna do with these. But the white lace, of course, you cannot go wrong with them. But your boy DeVintage got him, man. Y'all leave a huge like on this video. Your boy came through with another early look for y'all, bruh. Air Jordan on the tongue, Jumpman on the back. You got your red Jumpman on the tongue, bruh. This is a classic, nostalgic sneaker we got right here, bruh. And I just feel good to finally having. You guys already know the full review on feet will definitely be coming. I'm kind of been doing like reviews on feet on some of the classics, some of the OGs and stuff like that. I feel like this is definitely worthy of it, man. The quality, the colorway, all that good stuff. Your boy DeVintage is excited, and of course, you guys should know, bro, I'm definitely gonna be doubling up on these. Nigga was perfect with a hat on. Perfect. Hold on now. Hey, you might see this on a reel or a fit very, very soon. But hey, bro, let me know down below in the comment section how you feeling about the Air Jordan 6 Olympic, guys, releasing August. I don't even know when these release, bro. We early. Put the release date up here. But please let me know how y'all feeling. Double up, triple up, you're copping them, you're dropping them, they fire, they trash. Let me know all you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in again, bro. Leave a huge like, especially if you enjoy the content. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. More content will be coming very soon. Taking a couple days off here and there, man. You know what I'm saying? It's good for your mental health. Your boy's happy. I hope y'all happy. I hope y'all tapping into the videos. Go ahead and comment something down below. Let me know what you've been thinking about these last couple days. Your boy been up on YouTube, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that's been said, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.